morning guys, welcome to a video where you get to control my day. I still have my morning voice, so please ignore that. So throughout the day I will be asking you guys on my Instagram stories as to what I should be doing, and after 10-15 minutes or maybe a little more depending on what activity I'm doing that time, I will check the results and see what the majority has chosen. So I posted my first 2 polls on Instagram story yesterday night because I needed to know when to wake up today. So let's go back to yesterday night.
12 o'clock midnight.
I'll be posting 2 polls on my Instagram. My first poll is going to be when I should wake up, and the options are 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. Ideally, I'd prefer 11 a.m. because that's when I usually wake up, but I think I'll get more time to shoot if I wake up at 8 a.m. So I'll just wait for 15-20 minutes. My second poll is after I wake up, should I scroll through Twitter or should I work out? Of course, my normal is scrolling through Twitter. I'm such a lazy person and I haven't done like a proper workout in months. I have a feeling you guys will choose workout, but yeah, we'll wait for 15-20 minutes and then see the results for both the polls.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, I'm back. Let's check the results. When should I wake up? 55% of you said 8 a.m. and 45% 11 a.m. So yeah, I think that's it. I'll be waking up at 8 a.m. And the next one is after I wake up, should I work out? Is 83%. I'll work out. It's been a long time. So yeah, I will just set my alarm for 8 a.m. Yep, good night. I feel a little weird waking up and not scrolling through my Twitter because I'm so used to it. Like I asked you guys yesterday, first thing I should do after waking up, other than brushing my teeth of course, was to work out. But before I get to that, I thought I will just take a poll on Instagram if I should do natural makeup or glam makeup. I'm really hoping you guys choose natural makeup because I'm in no mood to do glam makeup. So I've uploaded that. Now I'm just going to change and do my work.
Later.
That was super tiring. It's been so long since I've worked out properly and I'm not feeling too good. Like, I think it's because I really need some food in my stomach.
Eventually.
Okay, so I finished my breakfast and now I'm going to take a shower. But before that, I thought I will put a poll on Instagram asking what I should be wearing for the day. So I have 2 options. First option is this legging and this white t-shirt. The second option is another turquoise t-shirt and jeans. So I'm just going to click pictures and post a poll on Instagram. Okay, so I finished posting the polls. I haven't checked any of the results. As we wait for the poll results, I will finish my shower and then see what you guys have voted. Okay guys, I'm back from my shower. Now I'm going to check my phone and see what you guys have voted for my outfit and for my makeup. Okay, I'm really hoping for natural makeup. Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy. 76% of you said natural makeup and 24% glam makeups. Really didn't want to do glam makeup. Now let's check the results for the second poll. I hope it's option 1. I think you guys just know me. Like, I really didn't want to wear denims the entire day. So yeah, I'll just quickly do my like normal basic makeup and wear my comfy clothes and be right back. What's up people? I feel super good right now because I'm fresh out of the shower, wearing comfy clothes and wearing natural makeup. I'm loving all your choices till now. After doing all this, I'm actually going to do jhadu pocha because that's my duty every day for the quarantine. Before that, I thought I will just quickly post a poll on Instagram. What should I do? Shoot a video or post a TikTok? So by the time I check the results in like half an hour, I will go and clean the house. I'm back. I cleaned the house and I also had my lunch because I was really hungry. So now I'm going to check the result of whether you guys want me to shoot a TikTok or a video for YouTube. I am really hoping that it's TikTok because I don't know, I just feel like I'm in the mood to shoot TikToks. And I haven't made a TikTok video in ages, so it'll be really fun to do that. Okay, let's see. No! I really wanted to shoot a TikTok. 67% of you want me to make a YouTube video, only 33 for TikTok. This is so sad. Why do you guys want me to make YouTube video? I am making a YouTube video right now. Chalo, theek hai. You guys win. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. So I've set up the camera to shoot a video. But before I do that, I thought I will put another poll. Next, I'm going to ask you guys if I should have Dalgona coffee or cold coffee. I'm really praying to God that you're going to choose cold coffee because if you haven't watched my Dalgona coffee video, you'll know why I'm choosing cold coffee. What should I have? So while waiting for your votes, I'm going to shoot a YouTube video. I actually ended up shooting a couple of small clips for something else, but yeah, it was productive time. So actually, thank you for choosing that even though I wanted to make TikTok videos. Let's see if you guys are going to troll me in the next poll where I've asked whether I should have Dalgona coffee or cold coffee. I really hope you guys chose cold coffee. 84% cold coffee. Wow, I did not expect that. You guys are the best. This is just amazing. Okay, so I'm going to make some cold coffee. I am going to ask you what to do next. The options are between online shopping and reading. I'm pretty sure you guys will choose online shopping, but I'm still going to do a poll. This is such a funny picture. I haven't done online shopping for the longest time. Even though I enjoy reading, I don't mind doing online shopping because like I said, it's been a while since I've shopped. I'll be making my cold coffee now. After that, I will check the results for this. I think this is like the best cold coffee I've ever made. I'm not kidding. Wow, this is so good. Let's check what you guys have chosen for the latest poll. I'm sure it's online shopping. Yup. Oh wow. 60% online shopping and 40% reading. I actually didn't expect even 40% votes to be for reading. So I think I'll be enjoying my cold coffee and shopping online. First, I'm planning on shopping from Nykaa. In my recent Q&A video, I asked you guys to suggest some contour products to me and I did go through the comments. One of the comments said L'Oreal Paris, but I think this one is out of stock. So I will be checking the sugar one as well. Oh, it's available. I'm going by your reviews and your comments and I'm just going to get it. I also need to get a mascara. So I'm actually going to go ahead with the Maybelline Hyper Curl. I think that's it. I'm going to go with the Sugar Contour Taupe Topper suggested by you guys, and I will be going with the Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. Let's go to Amazon. Oh yes, I wanted to get some BTS merchandise. I mean, not the official one, but those available on Amazon India. I think I'll get the I'm Certified Army. So I have one t-shirt in the size medium and one in extra small. So I'm just getting the two BTS t-shirts. I'm excited. It's time for the next poll. I think it looks so funny when someone sees it from outside, but this is how it came. I think it's cute. Asking people if I should Netflix and chill or dance with cousins. So yeah, I'm actually going to get some work done, edit this video, answer a few emails. So I'll see you guys in some time.
2 hours later.
So I'm going to check the poll results. Oh, yup. Like I guessed, dance with cousins 62%. Netflix and chill 38%. The people who answered Netflix and chill, high five. And I'm going to upload the last poll for this video. Order in / home cooked pasta. I just want to have my mom's pasta. So let's go dance with my cousins.
Do you recall long ago when you walked on the sidewalk of the night?
1 hour later.
So that was a really fun dance workout session with my cousins and my brother. Now, of course, I need to take another shower. For that, I just wanted to check the results. I have a feeling it's going to be ordering in, but we shall see. This is really shocking. Apparently, 79% of you want me to have home-cooked pasta. Why do I have a feeling that people are thinking I'm going to cook pasta? I hope that's not the case since I'm not the one cooking pasta. My mom has already made the pasta since everyone's having that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have my pasta now. This video is long enough already. Thank you to all of you who participated in voting on my Instagram. If you're not already following me on my Instagram, please do so. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought of it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive, and blessed. Bye.
What a wonderful world.